What is up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. As you guys can tell by today's video title and the fact that I'm literally holding you guys in my hand, today's video is a vlog. That's right, who is she? Today I actually have a really fun day out planned in London. We're going to my brother-in-law's birthday party and I thought what better day to take you guys along with me for like a day in the life kind of thing. But before we go any further, let's sort this mess out. I've got some friends on my face which I need to cover up, so let's go get ready. Okay, I am gonna put you guys onto a new product I've been loving, and that is the Revolution IRL Filter Concealer. I don't know how, but this literally covers up my dark circles like magic and it lasts all day long. Let me demonstrate. Honestly, my biggest tip when applying concealer and wanting that smooth under eye is to always moisturize your under eye because it's quite a dry, delicate area. So for this, I'm gonna use the Miracle Cream from Revolution. I absolutely love the packaging. It's so premium and the formula of this is really nice and bouncy. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit of that under my eye and then just kind of let it absorb for a couple of minutes. Okay, so now moving on to the concealer. The shade that I'm using is CO.2. I really like the doe on this. So what I do is I apply a little dot here and a little dot here. You definitely need the tiniest amount of product. You don't want to cake it on. I then like to bounce that concealer into the under eye with a big beauty blender that I've dampened. I mean, already, look at the before and after. Look at that coverage. I'm just gonna blend out this side as well. So that's the under eye done. Honestly, it looks so flawless up close. There's like no creasing. It doesn't grab onto any dry patches of my skin. And honestly, it just looks like my skin, but better. This concealer comes in an extensive range of shades. So I actually have another one in the shade C2, which I like to use to actually cover up any blemishes on my skin, as this matches my skin so well. All right, I feel like that's evened out my skin tone pretty well. I'm now gonna go in with a darker shade. This is the shade C16, and I actually like to use this to contour with. The formula of this is so creamy. It works perfect as a cream contour. I then use the round side of my beauty blender and pretty much just bounce this into my contours. This just gives such a natural and seamless kind of warmth to your face. Now I'm also going to go in with a tiny bit of the In Real Life Filter Foundation in the shade F1 just to kind of marry everything together. I'm now going to go in with a translucent powder to set everything in place and make sure it lasts all day long. I like to start off with my under eye because that's the area that's probably going to crease first. I really love the look of this concealer and the powder together. It really gives you that in real life filtered look. So that's my base makeup done. Honestly, it looks so flawless on camera, but also in real life, and that's exactly what we want. Now, because it's cherry blossom season, I of course had to reach for my ROXXI X Revolution Cherry Blossom palette. I'm still so obsessed with this palette. It's actually on sale right now on the Revolution website and it's half price, so don't walk but run. All right guys, so that is my makeup all finished. Here is a little close-up of the skin. I am so happy with this. And now for the hardest part, to choose the outfit. I always struggle with this so much. So since moving, I've had to reorganize my wardrobe quite a bit. As you can see, there is so much clothes here still, but I had to downsize a lot of it and put it into storage. So this is like my favorite pieces right now. Should we go for some colorful blazer vibes or some neutral vibes? I kind of feel a little bit colorful, so maybe we'll go for one of these blazers. I've actually really been wanting to wear this jumpsuit that I got in a recent video. I love it so much, but I've not had an occasion to really wear it yet. I think this would look really cute with this blazer together, and especially with the pink makeup I'm rocking today. So let's try it on. So here's the bodysuit on its own. I love this so much, but I feel like it's a little bit bare without something over it, especially for going out. So what do we think of this? This I am digging. It also gives me some coverage for when we go out for dinner and I'm gonna have a massive food baby. All right, outfit check, ready to go. We have made it to Gravity. Woo! Matt is going, take his turn to bowl. So we are just at the bowling sort of arena. Everyone is here. And yeah, I'm just about to take my go. Alright guys, so I'm back home now and I've actually changed into slightly more comfy clothes. It is such a nice day. It's very windy but very, very sunny, so I thought I would do some gardening work today. Also, as you guys saw in the previous clip, we found out that Matt's sister Sherry-Ann and her partner Luca got engaged, which is so exciting. We were literally so shocked. That's why my face was like, what? I genuinely did not see the ring for the longest time. Watching back that clip is so annoying because it was literally right there. But for some reason when I saw the ring, I actually thought that it was like a present for Luca because he was like, oh, what's this? So I just thought maybe it's like a surprise for him, and then it clicked. Also, you guys may be wondering where I am. I'm actually outside. This is our land. We have moved, as you guys know, and we're not sharing the details of that just yet. We've still got like a couple of things to sort out, but you guys will know about it very, very soon, so just hang on tight. But yeah, this is our view from our land, which is crazy, and the house is back there, which I'm not going to show you guys the area because, you know, I'm trying to keep that secret for now. Since being here and having so much space all around, we've actually really gotten into our gardening and like plants and things. So I've actually started making these tiny little bonsai trees from little shoots that we have just on our land. I'm pretty sure that these are Scots pines, and they're literally just tiny little saplings that I've bent with some bonsai wire into these shapes. And obviously I'm not a bonsai pro or anything, I'm learning as I go, but this is kind of like what I've started doing with them. I think this one right here is my favorite, and also this one, I just love the shape of it. Let me show you guys, like this. It's so cute. Also, can I just say, for a full day of being in London, I feel like my makeup has held up pretty well, especially my base. I feel like I still don't have any blemishes peeking through. So I have to say, putting this base to the test, especially the concealer, I am very, very happy with the results, and I think it looks really good still. I've actually got a couple of these little saplings, which I still haven't worked on, so let's bonsify them. Final result. Obviously it's not completely finished. I'm just gonna wait for those lower branches to kind of like grow out so I can shape them properly, but yeah, I'm really, really happy with it. Like I said, I'm not a pro, but this is just like my little hobby that I've taken on. Let me know if you guys have any fun hobbies as well in the comments. Honestly, I have to say I'm really, really happy with it. It's crazy how much a little bit of wire can do. It actually looks kind of like a bonsai now. Anyways, I think I'm gonna finish the vlog here. I really hope you guys enjoyed this slightly different video from me. If you did, make sure you smash that huge thumbs up down below. I honestly feel like I haven't been able to chat to you guys about like general life stuff in a while, so I really enjoyed this actually. Let me know if you guys want to see any more videos like this. The sun has just come out. Perfect. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.